Here we'll be talking about the composite function of differentiation. The composite function also has the rules that can be used to calculate equations. In the composite function, we have the y all over the x will be equal to the y all over the u multiplied by the u all over the x. Where y is a function of u and u is a function of x. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we'll take some examples on this to help us understand how we operate with composite function. 1. Differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x given 1. Y is equal to x minus 3 raised to the power of 5. 2. Y is equal to, say, 3x minus 1 raised to the power of 7. And 3, which is the last, we can say y is equal to x squared minus x plus 1 raised to the power of 3. So we use the composite function to solve equations of this kind. For more of this, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. One. If y is equal to x minus 3 raised to the power of 5, all we need to do, we say let u equal to what is inside x minus 3. Also, we say let y is equal to u raised to the power of 5. So it's still the same thing. So we can now differentiate y. The y all over the u is equal to 5u 5 minus 1, which is equal to 5u raised to the power of 4. Also, the u all over the x is equal to, if we differentiate x minus 3, we get just 1. Because we have something like this, x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 minus 0, which is equal to x raised to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. So the u all over the x is equal to 1. Now, we'll go back to this, our composite function formula, which states that the y all over the x is equal to the y all over the u multiplied by the u all over the x, which is equal to the y all over the u. We got 5u raised to the power of 4. So we write 5u raised to the power of 4 multiplied by the u all over the x. The u all over the x is 1 multiplied by 1. So this thing is the same thing as 5u raised to the power of 4. So here u is equal to, our u is x minus 3, x minus 3. We now substitute it into this place to get our final answer, which means the y all over the x is equal to 5. We substitute the value of u, which is x minus 3 raised to the power of 4. So this becomes our answer for the number 1 equation. So number 2, we have that y is equal to 3x minus 1 raised to the power of 7. We say let u be equal to 3x minus 1 and y is equal to u raised to the power of 7. So all we need to do is just dy all over du will give us 7u raised to the power of 7 minus 1, which is 7u raised to the power of 6. Also, du all over dx is equal to, we differentiate this function, we'll get just 3. We differentiate this because it will not be 3x raised to the power of 1 minus 1, and minus, if you differentiate the constant, you get 0. So we get 3. All we need to do is just to substitute it into the composite function formula, which is the y all over the x is equal to, the y all over the x will be equal to the y all over the u multiplied by the u all over the x, which implies that the y all over the u, which is this function, the y all over the u is 7u6, 7u raised to the power of 6 multiplied by the u all over the x, which is 3. So this is the same thing as 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 u raised to the power of 6. So we have the y all over the x will be 21 u raised to the power of 6. But u is equal to, our u is equal to 3x minus 1. So we put it down here. By substituting the value of u into this function, we have our final answer as dy all over the x to be equal to 21 3x minus 1 raised to the power of 6.